Hey everyone, it's Mike here. Just wanted to share my little video that I did a little while ago. Kind of got my hair tied back and everything, and just thought I'd share this with you. So enjoy, and hopefully you get a laugh out of it. I sure did. Hey everyone, this is Mike, the artist behind Michael Espel Fine Art. I am not going to edit this because this is just a test run to show you what I have come up with. So I've got lighting over here, that's really bright, now I'm blind. Let me fix my glasses. And lighting over here, my brand new wall. You'll see the color changes when I do this. I have no idea why this is doing that. Still working through all the bugs, but I just wanted to share that I'm doing what I can to bring you better content, better lighting, everything that you're going to need to become successful in any of the art stuff that I put up. Trying to make things easy, trying to make things as simple as possible. I've struggled. I've watched a lot of other YouTubes. Here's an example, all this lighting and everything. Oh wow, there's tape coming off. But anyways, like I said, I'm not going to edit this. If I could stop saying that would be a great thing. Maybe. Anyways, make sure we watch the lighting. Subscribe down here or over here or over here. I don't know. Anyways, I could stop saying anyways too. That would help. I just thought I wanted to let you know that I've got this all put together here and over here, and now I got to figure out what to hang like on this wall. Any of this. My hair is a mess. I'm sweaty. I've been working at this for 2 days. Just wanted to share this with you and hopefully subscribe. Anybody that wants to learn art, feel free to hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so it notifies you when I upload new content. And I gotta look at the camera. Where's the camera? Camera? Oh, there it is. It's hard to see on this phone. Oh, a fly. Squirrel. Oh, anyways. Anyways. Fly. I just thought I would share this with you, so maybe get a laugh out of it, whatever. Now I've got to figure out how to decorate this small little area. It's all a learning experience for all of us. So I'm thinking I'm doing my eye study right now. I did the German Shepherd eye. Up next is going to do some owl eye. And one of the things that I want to do that I know people get really frustrated with is the fact that seems like it takes forever to get things done. I'm trying to teach you everything I know in under an hour, or how to do something in under an hour. 30 minutes would be ideal. I mean, we all got 30 minutes, right? Sit down, throw our stuff out, get to drawing, making it easy. That is what I'm all about. None of this taking forever, taking days and days and days like I used to do. That's one of the reasons why I switched to pastels. Make it easy. Pastels for me are easy. Some people they're not. I used to be a colored pencil artist. I'm really not anymore. Although I do colored pencil over pan pastels, which works really well. That is another thing that I will share with you. So anyways, feel free to spit it out, Mike. Feel free to subscribe. Watch as all this kind of comes together. I think it's really cool how like it changes color. Changes color, changes color, changes color. Oh yeah, I'm heavily tattooed, just so you know. Tattoo here, tattoos on my chest, tattoos on my fingers, everywhere. No, I'm not from prison. I just like tattoos. It's art, right? So, oh, gotta look at the camera. I even forget that. Anyways, oh, gotta stop saying that too. You know why? Because they said to. Not really. I'm gonna do whatever I want. This is my channel. Hopefully you subscribe. Hopefully we see you soon. Please comment below. Oh, there's a shadow. Let's do the second part of this. My battery stopped. 8 minute happens. I gotta look at the camera. I keep forgetting it's over there. It's like right there somewhere. Anyways, gotta stop saying anyways because they said so. Who knows? It's my channel. I'll do what I want. All right. Hopefully we see you back here soon. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down there that you either like this video, hated it, you know, whatever works for you. You don't like my double chin, that's fine. I don't like my double chin either. So, with that, I wish you the best. Hope you have a beautiful day, and we will see you again real soon.